We are in the dashboard of Hungry for Hits, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access your affiliate tools. Don't forget, before you do anything, come in for your 30 minutes and click on 150 ads. Don't forget to claim your free gifts by scrolling down the page where you can see the ad spotlight and your free gift here. And also don't forget to claim your promo code. So I haven't done the surfing just yet, but once I finish this video, that will be my next task. So to find your affiliate tools, you have the red taskbar across the top of the page. You'll see the promote tab. If you click on that, another little bar will open beneath that, the gray bar, where you'll see your promo tools, your referrals, and your commissions. So let's look at the promo tools first. And I will expect you to take it upon yourself to read through all of this material. But your main affiliate link is just here in the center. Now, this is mine, so don't use mine. When you're sharing Hungry for Hits with other people, use your link. So this is the main affiliate link. This is a direct sign up link. And if you want to see what they look like, right click, open link in a new tab, and then go to that page and you'll see what they look like. You'll see what it is that you're sharing with your friends or with your prospects. Now, one thing I probably would not advise is that you just send this out cold. Don't make this one of your adverts because people don't know what it is that they're signing up for. So what I would do is make maybe a giveaway, a lead magnet, which is we're going to talk about in the next module, about Hungry for Hits and how it creates success for you and how you can surf with it and how you can do advertising and page creation and all the things that you can do with it before you send people to this page. However, how you advertise is entirely up to you, but I wouldn't send them direct to that link. That's my 2 cents worth. So it says click on any of these categories to see the promotional material for it, or scroll down this page to see it all. So let's scroll down. First of all, you can share on Facebook, and if you click on this link, you will see what happens. Then you've got a Hungry for Hits splash page rotator, and this is what the previews of the rotator look like. And again, I probably wouldn't advertise these directly as the first advert that somebody sees. I would personally probably write something a little bit more appealing and then lead them to these pages. And then here's all your splash pages down here. Again, just right click on them, use the ones that you like. Now, which one works? I don't know. You have to try it for you. Your audience is very different to my audience. So what works for me might not work for you. And you're just going to have to do split testing. So maybe have 2 up at the same time, see which one works best. Then put another 2 up, see which one works best. Then get the best 2 of each of those 2 and see which one works best. And it takes a little time before you'll find your best advert. Scrolling down, you've got banner ads. All the HTML code for it is here. Just type that in and copy and paste that into where you want your images to appear. And this is what the images look like. Some of them are cute. Some of them are more direct. Are you hungry? Hungry for hits. So there's a whole range of different styles. And again, I don't know which one's going to work for you. So it's really about testing it. This is HTML code for your website. You've got some email ads, so you can send out emails. You can use this text here. You just scroll down, copy the whole lot. Make sure you read through it before. You can add stuff to it as well. It's even got your name already added in. These are signatures you can use. Email signatures, Twitter signatures, forum signatures that may entice people into your world at Hungry for Hits. So you've got a whole range of tools there. If you come to your referrals, this is where you'll see your referrals when you get them. At the moment, I don't have any. I haven't promoted this program yet. The only one that I've really promoted is Infinity Traffic Boost, and I've got 44 directs, I think, so far. So it does work promoting it, and I'm going to start promoting very soon. And here is your commissions tab. And you'll see some of the commissions that I've been paid by surfing, the sandwich game, the pick a snack, the newsletter promo code. So you will get a newsletter sent to you. Inside of that, there is normally a code. And if you use that code, you get, in this case, it was $1. Woohoo. And I've got a total of $1.5 owing to me. So there are your direct referral tools. Now, something else that I'd like to mention to you right now is the page creator. And if you come and click on the page creator, there's lots of different tools just here where you can, add a link from text, add an image, add a link from an image, and using CSS and HTML. But if you just come to the raw page, you can add in your Facebook username, your Twitter username, your Instagram, Skype, and YouTube channel ID, and you can fill in a little bit of stuff about you. I did a similar thing, and if I right click and open a new tab, I did a similar thing as I did in my profile. I put a little bit about me at the top, and then I put something about the unlock the $100 a day from traffic exchanges. And then you can see there's links to the program that I'm going to be promoting. So I would recommend you do that, because people do come and check on you, check on who you are. And this is one thing I'm going to talk about a little bit later in more depth. But you see here, people can connect to me in Facebook. I don't mind if people connect to me in Facebook. You may want to take a look at that. And when we come to that section, I will talk about this in much more detail about how you can bring the advertisers into your Facebook world. But it's very, very worth doing so. Okay, so that's it for Hungry for Hits. That's where your tools are. Just come to the Promote tab and you'll see everything you need. The other tabs we will come to shortly. I will see you in the next video where we're going to talk about Viral Mailer for you and where you can find the tools for your affiliates just there. I'll see you in that video.